I got moments in my camera and I can't wait to show you them. I got visions in my mind that I'm about to compose for you. I see beauty through the lens, each click captures your grace, and the world comes alive every time that I frame your face. I adjust the light and shadows, making magic seem so real. With each edit, I'm bringing back the sparks that I can feel. I got angles in my vision, perfect lines draw you closer still. I got colors in my palette, but with each head I fulfill. Every image tells a story, memories stitched with delight. As the pixels always breathe their life, they become timeless in the light. From the moment to the edit, I'm creating art divine. You're the muse, and with every shot your magic intertwines. All the frames that hold our laughter, every click writes our history. In each photo there's a heartbeat, sealing love's sweet mystery. Holding tight to what we treasure, imprints our finest days. We'll relive it through the images in our warm and faded ways. I get thrills when I check the moment.